The 8 identical particles is of mass small m are situated at the corners of a cube of side A. Okay, calculate the gravitational potential energy of this system. Okay, so 8 identical particles, so that is 8 identical particles of each mass m. So each mass small m, here 8 vertices. So vertices, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So each identical particles of each mass m. Okay, and side of a cube is A. Okay, now we have to find the gravitational potential energy of this system. Okay, so first calculate total number of particles. Okay, total number of pairs. Okay, first calculate total number of pairs. Okay, the total number of pairs equal to how much? That formula is n of n minus 1 by 2. Okay, now total number of pairs, okay, total number of pairs equal to n of n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so the total number of pairs is taken as capital N. Okay, capital N equal to, so how many vertices? So 8 vertices. Okay, 8 identical particles, that is here small n, that is small n equal to 8. Okay, so 8 minus 1 divided by 2. So the capital N equal to 42. So 4 into 7 equal to nothing but 28. So total number of pairs equal to 28. Okay, now gravitational potential energy, U means the gravitational, U means gravitational potential energy equal to 12. Okay, 12 pairs. Okay, 12 pairs of separation, 12 pairs of separation A. Okay, that means, so how many pair of separation? 12. That means side 12 side 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, that is 12 sides. Okay, so 12 pairs of separation with side A plus 12 pair of separation. Okay, 12 of separation root 2a, that side is root 2a, that means two-dimensional figure. So one side to another side in case of two-dimensional figure. For suppose here this one 2 and this one. Okay, that is root 2. Okay, plus 4 of separation, 4 of separation root 3a. That means here this one is one dimensional, this one is the two dimension, this one is the three dimension. Okay, that means x y z coordinate. Okay, from here this one to up to this is one corner to another corner of a cube, so equal to 4 corner. Okay, so that is 4, so one to another. Okay, so equal to, so that is gravitational potential. We know gravitational potential is minus, so the 12 minus 12, that minus 2, g means the gravitational, so negative, g equal to g m square divided by a. Okay, so minus g m square by a means gravitational potential energy. 12 means 12 pair. Okay, similarly 12 pair, so 12 minus 12 g m square divided by root 2a, this side is root 2a. Okay, minus here this one is the 4, the minus 4 g m square divided by root 3a. Okay, divided by root 3a is equal to, so now taking common 12. Okay, 12 minus 12 taking common, g m square divided by a is taking common. Here plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 3 root 3. Okay, so this much your answer. Okay, so that means 8 identical particles of each mass is m. So that is the identical particle of mass m is given. Okay, and at the corner the mass is situated at the corner of a cube. Okay, and side of a cube is a. Okay, side of a cube is a. Now first we have to calculate the total number of pairs. The total number of pairs using this formula n of n minus 1 by 2. Okay, n of n minus 1 by 2. So the total n equal to here 8 because 8 identical particles. So n is equal to 8. Okay, n is equal to small n equal to 8. Now total number of pairs means capital N equal to 8 whole of 8 minus 1 by 2. 2 will cut, so we get 28. Okay, now U means gravitational potential energy. Okay, now 12 pairs of separation a side a, so that means 12 in this way. So the 12, the side is 12. You 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9 10 11 and 12. So the 12, that is one dimension figure, and 12 pair of separation of root 2 side. Okay, that means 1 diagonal, and this one is root 2a means what? Diagonal. 1 to another diagonal. In case of diagonal, this one the diagonal. Okay, but in case of this one is 4 of the separation. That means in case of 1 point to another point means diagonal, 2 diagonal. And not 2 diagonal but 1 diagonal but 2 points. Okay, but in case of 4 separation of root 3a, that means here, so 1 2 3 4 point. Okay, that means total here up to this, but up to this one equal to here, up to this point, this one is the root 2, but this point to up to this, that is root 3a. Okay, so using gravitational potential energy formula is, generally gravitational potential energy, the form is minus g small m square divided by a, using this formula. Okay, using this formula we have to find the total gravitational potential energy of this system. Okay, using this formula. Okay, now in case of here minus 12 gm square by a. Okay, so minus 12 gm square or gm square by 2a, that means this one the radius. Okay, root 2a, the root 2a is the radius, and similarly 4 means 4 of separation in, so in case of 4 of separation but in 2 dimension, but in a 3 dimension. Okay, the difference is 2 dimension and this one is the 3 dimension. So 4 gm square by root 3a, that means, so here side is given. Now taking 12 common, gm square by a whole of 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus this much. Okay,